In today's video, we are going to dive deep into 7 foods that will help keep your heart healthy and happy. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. While there are many factors that can contribute to heart disease, the one we're going to focus on today is the narrowing of arteries, which leads to restricted blood flow. But what causes the arteries to become narrower? Well, it's the buildup of something called plaque. You may have been rewarded with a plaque at some point in your life for your achievements, but that is not the kind of plaque we're talking about here. This kind of plaque is much more insidious, building up inside your arteries gradually over the years until they become partially or completely blocked. Our arteries are like highways that deliver oxygen-rich blood to the whole body, and when these arteries get blocked, well, have you ever been stuck in standstill traffic when a wreck blocks the highway? Yeah, it's bad. Nothing can get where it's meant to go. When a person's arteries start to become so clogged that blood can no longer properly flow through them, it can cause heart attacks, strokes, or other complications. So, what can you do to prevent your arteries from getting blocked? Paying close attention to the foods you choose to eat is a great first step. By intentionally including foods that promote cardiovascular health, that is, the health of your heart and blood vessels, in your diet, you can reduce the risk of plaque buildup in your arteries and ultimately reduce your risk of heart disease. Before we get on to our main course, so to speak, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to our channel if you're enjoying the video so far. Your support goes a long way for a small channel like ours, so thank you. Alright, without further ado, here is the list of the 7 best foods for keeping your blood vessels clean and your heart strong and healthy. Number 7. Asparagus. Asparagus gets a bad rap for a certain odor that many associate with this vegetable. But hey, let's not be too quick to totally dismiss it. These long, slim vegetables are super nutritious. They're rich in fiber and minerals, which helps keep high blood pressure at bay. One especially powerful compound found in asparagus that deserves to be mentioned is alpha-linolenic acid, which helps prevent the hardening of arteries. Asparagus also amp up the body's production of an antioxidant called glutathione, which fights off damaging free radicals and prevents them from harming the arteries. Cool, right? One last thing. This incredible food also helps to prevent blood clots from forming and curbs inflammation in the veins and arteries, both of which are important for preventing heart disease. Number 6. Avocados. Avocados are not only great in taste, guacamole, anyone? But extremely healthy as well, especially for your heart. The name of the game here is cholesterol, or rather, lowering the levels of bad cholesterol, or LDL, in the body, and increasing the level of good cholesterol, or HDL, in the body. And, you guessed it, avocados do just that. By helping our bodies to maintain this balance of good and bad cholesterol, avocados are ultimately helping to keep our arteries clean. 2 tools in the avocado's toolbox are high levels of vitamin E, which prevents the oxidation of cholesterol, and potassium, which helps keep those cholesterol levels low. All in all, avocados are a deliciously healthy treat to keep your heart healthy. Number 5. Broccoli. Look, we know broccoli isn't usually a fan favorite when it comes to vegetables. But trust us, it is much more incredible than you're probably giving it credit for. Broccoli is high in vitamin K, which helps prevent calcium from damaging the arteries. Here's another pretty interesting compound that can be found in broccoli that you may never have heard of. It's called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane helps the body to utilize proteins to prevent plaque buildup. Broccoli is also rich in fiber, which keeps cholesterol levels in check and helps lower stress. It's important to note that stress is another major contributor to plaque buildup, so it's crucial to relieve yourself of stress in general. And, well, if the thought of eating broccoli stresses you out too much, then we can just move on to food number 4. Number 4. Watermelons. Watermelon is one of the many things that make us look forward to summer, and for a good reason. Who doesn't enjoy biting into a cool, juicy treat on a hot summer's day? This super sweet fruit is enriched with the amino acid L-citrulline, which boosts the formation of nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide helps clean the arteries by relaxing the arteries and ensuring optimal dilation. It also reduces inflammation and supports hypertension management. And then, there's the high water content in watermelons. As usual, water is the unsung hero that swoops in to save the day. Staying well hydrated reduces fat accumulation within the blood vessels, which reduces the likelihood of suffering from cardiovascular complications. Number 3. Nuts. Nuts are one of the best nutrient-dense snacks to munch on when your stomach starts rumbling and you could really go for some food. While there are plenty of different types of nuts, and all of them have their own health benefits, we're going to focus on almonds for a minute. Almonds are an excellent heart-healthy snack choice for a few reasons. Most notably, their high levels of monounsaturated fats. When we refer to fats, there are actually a few different types of fats that could fall into that broader category. Monounsaturated fats are the healthiest type of fats, and they support the production of good cholesterol in your body while decreasing the concentration of bad cholesterol in your body. Almonds are also a rich source of vitamin E, just like avocados. Even though we've already mentioned vitamin E, one thing we didn't mention is that vitamin E can help prevent atherosclerosis, also known as the hardening of arteries, which can increase the risk of suffering from a heart attack. Number 2. Oranges. It's good that we have another fruit on this list, otherwise the watermelons were bound to get lonely. Like many foods on this list, oranges can help keep blood pressure low. They're also an excellent source of antioxidants, the compounds that combat free radicals. This helps keep our blood vessels safe from inflammation so they can function like they're meant to. Pectin is also present in oranges. Pectin is a type of fiber that helps reduce cholesterol content in your body. The star of the show, though, is vitamin C. Oranges are famous for their vitamin C content, and with good reason. Vitamin C can help prevent blockages and increase arterial strength. Number 1. Fatty fish. We know you've probably heard a lot about the dangers of fatty foods, especially when it comes to heart health, but hear us out. The key to heart health isn't to avoid fats, but to include the right kind of fats in your diet. Healthy fats. There are several types of fatty fish, which include sardines, mackerel, herring, salmon, and tuna, and they are all rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are one of those healthy fats we just mentioned. These fatty acids decrease blood pressure, reduce inflammation, boost the production of good cholesterol, and decrease the concentration of harmful triglycerides that can accumulate in our blood vessels and block them. The American Heart Association recommends consuming fatty fish at least 2 times a week, and the healthiest way to prepare these fish would be to bake or grill them. And there you have it. 7 incredible foods that your body can use to help your heart thrive. Arterial blockages are among the leading causes of serious heart complications like heart attacks. The simplest, most effective way to improve your cardiovascular health is by maintaining a healthy diet. So, what are you waiting for? Add these foods to your grocery list and begin to incorporate them into your diet. Who knows? You may even learn some delicious new recipes, or find a new favorite snack in the process. If you'd like more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of them. And, as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!